Welcome to Undoubtme. We are back with our fourth video for question number 4 in a series of 50 most important math questions for GCSE exams. Let us have a look at this question. In this question, we have to make x the subject, so it's just an algebraic manipulation, rearranging, and then we can solve and get the answer. So first thing is this whole denominator will be multiplied on the other side, so it will be 3xy minus y. On the other side also I will expand the bracket, so it will be 2 plus 2x. Then I need to make x the subject, so I'll take the terms of x together. So this 2x is sent on the left hand side, so it will be 3xy minus 2x, and minus y is sent on the right, that will become plus y. Now from the left hand side I can take x common, I'll be left with 3y minus 2. On the right I will just rewrite 2 plus y as it is. Now I hope you are clear that we need to just divide both the sides by 3y minus 2 and 2 plus y over 3y minus 2, which can also be written as y plus 2 over 3y minus 2. Both of them are acceptable answers, and this will become my final answer. So this was just based on rearranging formulas or making x the subject. Making x the subject is not the name of the topic, it's mainly rearranging formulas. Okay, but normally the questions what we get is of this type only. Practice more questions on the same so that you can revise this topic in a more clear way. See you in the next video.